Come with me and explore the Philippines. Here I am leaving Denver, Colorado on my way to LA. 2.5-hour flight. Land in LA and I'm about to leave for the Philippines. The flight was 14 hours. Finally arrived at NAIA Airport, where I was picked up by James Tanner of My PI Dream, and we drove to his house in Lipa City. There I am with my honey Irene and the Tanners. Well, hello everybody, to all my friends out there. This is Articus. I'm here at Villa Feliz, Lipa City, Philippines. And I am here with my girlfriend, Irene.
Hi.
So, I'm going to, also I brought Bucky with me. And that's Marianne barking out there, either Marianne or Hoppo. So, let me show you what's out there from the veranda. Let's take a trip to Tagaytay, where we went to Chiro's Bag of Beans for breakfast. Here we are with the Tanners. There's James photobombing me. Here I am flying with my Avata 2 over at Taal Volcano, overlooking Lake Taal. Down below it's nice and green. This is my second flight with the Avata 2. Still learning how to use the motion control. Once I got comfortable enough, I ventured out a little farther. Wow, look at that view. Let's do a panorama. Time to head back to Antonio's Bread Market. Trying to get my bearings here a little bit. Finally found out where I'm going. A little tricky flying here because, well, you got the trees and then you gotta be careful of the wires that are hanging out there supporting the netting over the patio. Here I come. There's Irene and Dan. But in, oh, watch out for the lights. James made a wonderful hand catch. Here we go. And now he got it. Time to head on back. There's the gang. We head on back to James' house, where we went in the pool and celebrated. Had a wonderful night, and it was also James and Nessa's anniversary. Our next adventure is Cebu. So follow us on the next video. And please like and subscribe. And catch you next time.